Imagine if love were a recipe and you had the secret ingredient. Well, psychologists might just have found it. Contrary to popular belief, it's not about grand gestures or poetic declarations. Rather, it's about subtle psychological techniques that can create an irresistible connection between individuals. Intrigued? Let's dive into the science of attraction and uncover the strategies that can make anyone fall in love with you. 1. The power of eye contact. Eye contact is more than just a glance. It's a profound way of connecting. Studies have shown that maintaining eye contact increases feelings of affection and intimacy. A notable study from 1989 revealed that strangers who gazed into each other's eyes for just 2 minutes reported heightened feelings of passionate love. This happens because eye contact triggers the release of oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone, which plays a significant role in bonding. When you lock eyes with someone, it creates a sense of vulnerability and openness, allowing emotions to flow more freely. Thus, a simple act of gazing can ignite sparks and foster a deeper connection between two people. 2. Mirroring, the dance of connection. Mirroring is a fascinating psychological technique where one person subtly mimics another's body language, speech patterns, or mannerisms. This behavior signals that you are in sync with the other person, creating a sense of harmony and understanding. Research suggests that when people mirror each other, they are more likely to feel connected and form a bond. It's akin to a dance where both partners move together, building rapport and intimacy. For example, if your conversation partner leans in while speaking, leaning in slightly yourself can enhance the feeling of connection. When you mirror someone, it can make them feel more comfortable and connected to you, enhancing the bond between you. 3. Active listening. Hear the heart. Everyone craves to be heard and understood. Active listening transcends merely hearing words. It involves grasping emotions, recognizing nuances, and responding thoughtfully. This practice makes others feel valued and appreciated, fostering deeper emotional connections. By genuinely engaging in conversations, maintaining eye contact, nodding, and asking follow-up questions, you show that you are invested in what the other person is saying. This not only makes the speaker feel special, but also builds trust and intimacy. When someone feels truly heard, they are more likely to open up and share their feelings, which can significantly strengthen your relationship. The Benjamin Franklin effect. It may seem counterintuitive, but asking someone for a small favor can actually increase their affection for you. This phenomenon, known as the Benjamin Franklin effect, suggests that when people do something nice for you, they justify their actions by thinking, "I must like this person if I'm helping them." This creates a subconscious investment in the relationship. For instance, if you ask a coworker to help you with a project and they agree, they may start to see you in a more favorable light. The act of helping not only builds a bond, but also reinforces positive feelings toward you, making them more likely to develop affection over time. 5. Shared experiences, bonding through adventure. Engaging in shared experiences can profoundly deepen your emotional connection with someone. Whether it's embarking on adventures together, trying new activities, or simply spending quality time bonding over common interests, these moments create lasting memories. Research indicates that doing novel and exciting activities together can increase feelings of closeness and attraction. For example, attending a concert, hiking a challenging trail, or cooking a meal together can lead to shared excitement and joy, reinforcing your bond. Such experiences foster feelings of affection and closeness as you build a reservoir of shared moments that define your relationship. 6th, vulnerability, the strength in openness. Vulnerability is often seen as a weakness, but it can actually be a powerful tool for connection. When you open up and share personal experiences and emotions, you invite the other person to reciprocate. This exchange fosters intimacy and trust, two essential ingredients for love. According to psychologist Brené Brown, vulnerability is the birthplace of connection and the path to courage and empathy. By sharing your fears, dreams, and even past failures, you create a safe space for deeper connections to flourish. When both parties feel comfortable being vulnerable, it can lead to a profound understanding and appreciation of one another. 7. Positive reinforcement, the power of compliments. Sincere compliments and affirmations can significantly influence how someone perceives you. Positive reinforcement taps into the brain's reward system, making the other person feel good in your presence. When you compliment someone genuinely, be it their appearance, talents, or kindness, it releases dopamine, creating a sense of pleasure. However, it's crucial to keep compliments authentic and personalized. Instead of generic praise, offer specific compliments that demonstrate your attention to who they are as a person. For example, instead of saying, "You look nice," you might say, "That color really brings out your eyes." Such thoughtful compliments can enhance their affection towards you and strengthen your bond. 8. The scarcity principle, playing hard to get. According to the scarcity principle, developed by psychologist Robert Cialdini, things that are rare or limited in availability tend to be more desirable. In relationships, this means that playing hard to get can make you seem more attractive. By not always being readily available, you create a sense of urgency and value, making the other person more interested in pursuing you. This doesn't mean playing games or being manipulative. Instead, it's about maintaining a healthy balance of attention and independence. For instance, having your own hobbies and interests can make you more appealing because it shows that you are confident and self-sufficient, which can intrigue others and draw them to you. 9. The Michelangelo phenomenon, sculpting love. The Michelangelo phenomenon refers to how close partners influence each other to achieve their ideal selves. When individuals perceive their partners as helping them become their best selves, they experience greater satisfaction and love in the relationship. This can involve supporting each other's goals and aspirations or encouraging personal growth. By affirming your partner's strengths and helping them pursue their dreams, you create a nurturing environment that fosters love and commitment. For example, if your partner has a dream of starting a business, encouraging them, offering help, and celebrating their achievements can deepen the emotional bond between you. 10. Ingratiation, the art of flattery. Ingratiation is a psychological technique where one person attempts to become more likable to another. This can involve using compliments, aligning with the other person's opinions, or performing favors. By making the other person feel good about themselves, you increase their affection toward you. However, it's essential to ensure that your flattery is genuine and not overdone, as insincerity can backfire. Instead of simply echoing their opinions, engage in meaningful conversations where you express appreciation for their insights and perspectives. This genuine approach can enhance your likability and foster a stronger connection. Finally, building meaningful connections. These techniques, grounded in psychological research, can help foster connections and deepen relationships. Remember, the key is authenticity and respect for the other person's feelings and autonomy. Use these strategies ethically to build meaningful and lasting connections, and you may just find that love is not only a recipe, but also a delightful journey of discovery and connection. By understanding and applying these principles, you can create a rich tapestry of relationships filled with affection, trust, and enduring love.